Can you see me hitting 791, 795, 790, 805, 806, 785, 778, 792, 802, 807. Oh, I don't think I've ever gone this fast. And what am I doing? This, see that green boat? That's a freighter, and I can almost keep up with it. And there, the red one, that's Fleetwood. And I'm going. You see, there's Golfo de Fonseca, which borders on both El Salvador to the north, and to Honduras to the east, and Nicaragua on the south. And I'm planning to go, you see the blue line, I'm planning to go to Puesto del Sol. Puesto del Sol means sunset. And that's what I'm heading for. And at this rate, I'm going to get there. I may have to slow the boat down because, yeah, there we go. 80, 788, 749, 786. I hope you can see this. And now I'm going to show you what kind of sail I'm using. I haven't used the this sail. This is the very first time I'm using the mylar. Yeah, I just hit my knee against the door. This is, you can see, it's the laminating, and that's a pretty old mylar sail, but it's really nice shape, very fast. And look at it. And because I knew that I would have light air in this area, I decided to not use the Dacron I think it's about 140 maybe, and this is a 150. And so I've got more sail area. A little while ago I had to close this hatch because the waves were a little rougher, and I was getting some salt water into the hatch. But now look at it, isn't it nice? Doing 8 knots in smooth water like this on a 30-foot sailboat, that's just incredible. As you can see, I'm at a pretty decent heel. I'm not, hard to the wind. I'm probably about 20 degrees off the wind, but I think probably I've got about 12, between 10 and 15 knots, probably more like 12 knots of wind. I forgot to say that how much better can it get? I'm running out of excuses. This is my larger screen laptop, and just to show you, I'm still doing 728, 772, 798, 790, I'm not getting any 8s. What? Yeah, there we are, 803. 827! Holy cow. What's the song? Don't Cry For Me, Argentina. Hitting 7s and 8s? And I had to look that up, what that meant. Well, I guess that's what I'm doing, hitting 7s and 8s. Holy cow. How much better can it get?